In this video, I am going to show you how to do simple earth surface modeling in Blender. So let's get started. First, press Shift plus A to add the circle. In the circle, vertex count is 16 and rotation x-axis 90. Then press E to extrude, right click to keep it in the same place. Press S to scale it and left click to confirm the position. Then select the top few vertex, press S to scale, lock the Z axis by pressing Z and type 0 to scale them flat. So next I want both sides to be exactly the same, so I'm going straight up. Before that, I'm going to change the pivot point from median point to active element. First, select the vertex, then select the active element vertex, press S to scale. Lock the x-axis by pressing X and type 0 to scale them equally. On opposite side, I am going to do the same thing. Then I am going to select the top vertex, press E to extrude, lock the Z-axis by pressing Z and use G to move it to the desired position. Next, I am going to move it down to the ground because I am going to mirror it so it will work properly. Once moved, I am going to clear the transform by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then only the mirror modifier will work properly. Then I am going to add a mirror modifier and change the axis from X to Z. Then enable clipping to avoid gaps between the vertex. Go to edit mode, move the vertex and they will match. Then press tab to go to the object mode and apply the mirror modifier. Then go to edit mode, select the middle vertex, press Ctrl plus B to bevel and add 10 segments. Then go to object mode by pressing tab, add a solidify modifier for thickness. Then add a bevel modifier with 2 segments and then add a subdivision surface modifier with the level set to 2. Then I am going to duplicate the mesh in edit mode. First press A to select all, then press Shift plus D to duplicate and move it. Go to object mode and then add a simple deform modifier. Now you can see a colorful gizmo. To get this, you need to install the add-on in Blender. Go to edit preference, add-ons, type deform and install it. Once installed it in the 3D view, go to the top in gizmo and enable show simple deform gizmo. Now I'm going to change the axis X to Z and then I'm going to set the angle. Then we can adjust the upper and lower limits. Now I am adjusting the red and green gizmos. Next, make sure to keep the simple deform modifier at the top of the modifier stack. Now adjusting it to get the desired shape. If you enjoyed this video, consider supporting me so I can make more tutorials.